Hey guys, it's Joe, and in this video I'll be showing you how to use automation and how to assign controllers. Automation has a lot of different functions, whether it's to adjust volume and panning through your track or to use variation on effects. So first we'll get up automation on our main window, and to do that you can either hit this button up here or press A on your keyboard. You can then go over here and choose from the two main parameters that are always here, which is volume and panning. So over here we have the actual level of where the parameter is, so we click on it and it's on 0. Now to create a change we can click anywhere on this line and it'll bring in a new point that we can move. And to move it, simply click and hold and drag it wherever you like. You can also double click anywhere along here and it will automatically move it to wherever you want. And you can also delete points by double clicking on them as well. So just to show as an example, I'm going to reduce the volume right down to at the start, and then increase it as it goes on to show you that the parameter will change. A useful trick to know is if you hold down Command and hold down left click and drag anywhere you want, and when you release, click on here and you can move this entire bar as you like. This is very good for precise changes. You can also copy and paste automation. I've just set up this little bit here and you can select that by just clicking and dragging over it. Command C, place the playhead where you want it and paste. This is good if you want to repeat automation on a verse or a chorus of a song. Next is how to assign controllers, and to do this I've just set up the ES2 over here that we'll be playing with a little bit. Now to control these parameters on your external controller you need to learn the function in, and to do this you can either go up to Logic Pro X, Control Surfaces, Controller Assignments, or you can hit Command L for the shortcut. So here we're in the expert view, but we'll be mainly working in easy view. But first we'll create a new zone, and to do this we'll go into the zone section down here and just hit plus. Just name that our ES2, and then we'll go back into easy view. Now in easy view, to assign something you want to hit learn, move the parameter you want to change, and then move the controller you want to assign to. So as you can see that's now moving when I move the controller. Now we want to be using the resonance and the cutoff, so we're going to be assigning two controllers, and to do this we'll go over and hit learn again, move the cutoff, and then move a different controller. So now they're both assigned differently. So now we'll close that, and if I move both of these, they're both assigned. A very useful function you can utilize with this is the touch function, which is down here. If you click on read, you can see touch is here. And this basically means you can play in your automation with the track. So now if I hit play, I'm going to move the controllers and it's going to play in my automation. So as you could see, it was moving the automation as we were going along whilst I was moving the controllers. And now I'll just go back down to touch and change it to read, so we can't change it anymore. So this is what the synth sounds like without any automation, and to turn off the automation you can go over here, hit this bypass button and turn it off. I'll just do the same for the resonance. So here's what it sounds like normally. And now we turn the automation back on. You can choose to automate practically any parameter in any synth or effect, and to do that just click on here, go up to your synth or effect, and you have all the parameters that you want here. You can apply this to any parameter in Logic. This includes effects such as compression, reverb, distortion, etc. Using automation is a key aspect to bring precision and variation to your tracks, whether it's through panning or by changing parameters in your synths. I hope you found this video useful, and if you have any questions please leave a comment or contact me via my website. Thanks a lot for watching, cheers.